get you some more stories now. And financial literacy is important to run any business effectively in order to gain profits. Well, micro-entrepreneurs and small-medium enterprises have been notably seen as key contributors to the growing growth. Well, KTN's business reporter Ashley Mook had a report on the growing SMEs in the country.
Financial literacy is a major life skill and a factor of economic and financial stability for all entrepreneurs. Studies have shown that majority of small businesses in Kenya do not have adequate training, and this impacts negatively on business survival. Entrepreneurs at the micro and small enterprise levels often struggle with understanding the financial rudiment of running a sustainable business. Top among challenges of SMEs include poor record keeping, cash flow management, preparing projections and tax compliance, which has led to slow growth.
Nilikuwa nataka kama hii price yangu with the time nikuze mpaka nikuwe na kitu kama wholesale.
In pursuit to raise awareness and curb the muddle at hand, we visited small-scale businesses, a cohort of beneficiaries of a program to empower SMEs by 4G Capital, a foreign-based microcredit lender. Business accepts from 4G Capital, a micro-based lending fintech company that trains micro SMEs while lending them, notes that giving financial training to entrepreneurs enables them to financially plan, seek appropriate financial support, manage their cash flow, business finance, and financial risk. This eventually translates in better business practices.
If you find a customer who is willing to take up a loan from us, they know that the added benefit is having, of course, the customer business training. That is what they lack in the market as it is. We are the only company that provide customer business training and working capital credit.
With them, after kulipa loan ya kwanza ya pili ya tatu, naendelea limit yangu inaendelea kukua juu naona. So nikaona ya it's possible.
The training also boosts the entrepreneur's business confidence and discipline in managing their businesses successfully. Although this is just a fraction of the larger SME picture in the country, 4G Capital hopes such like initiatives will go a long way in creating a vibrant SME ecosystem through ethical lending.
Wakati niligia kwa 4G, haki wamenisaidia kwa sababu nilikuwa nimeanguka na saa hii ndio stoko yangu.
94% of our customers have attested to financial literacy.